Hi guys. Okay, so this is a bit frustrating and I apologize, but this simulation is no longer available online. So I had to download a program to run it. So I'm gonna run it and I'm gonna pause it and you're gonna fill this in as you go. Your paper's gonna look a little bit different because now I'm gonna update it. So we've already done this part and this is the part that's going to be different. So it's like we're going to use a simulation to record chemical equilibrium, go to the reversible reaction fed. Now it's going to be like go to the following video, and that's this video. So I'll have a link to this video right here, and you're going to see in the video that I'm going to add 700 A particles and 0 B particles. Okay, so I'm going to add this in. So I'm going to do 700 A particles and 0 B particles, and then it's going to say and 300 Kelvin, so I got 300 Kelvin there for the starting temperature. You need to hit enter once you type in 700 for the reactants. Okay, great. So look at all those reactants. Okay, now you're going to be filling in this table as we go. So we have at time 0, how many reactants there were, and look, like there's the number, and then how many products there were. There's the number. And 30 seconds, etc. Okay. I'm going to reset this, and we're going to analyze this as we go. And so let's get this going. So we're going to reset. Okay. Start this timer, and then, oh, I had to hit 700 and then start it. That's fine. And we're gonna pause here. Alrighty, everyone. So, try to do this quickly. So 700. Okay. I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm gonna hit start right afterwards, and I'm gonna pause it after 30 seconds. See what we got. Okay. So lots of reactants, and we got a few products going on here. Okay, so now what we see is we have 633 products, or sorry, reactants and 67 products. And so make sure that you have that written down right here. And then I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to be pausing at these times. I'm not always going to be reading it out. I'm just going to let it run, and then I'll be doing my best to pause it as close as I can to those timers, so you can record those values and, you know, hit pause as needed, because I know it's going really fast. Okay. And there's our time for 60. Get those recorded. Again, if I'm not pausing long enough, you can always pause this video as well. Close enough. Pretty close, right? To 210. Okay, I'm going to keep going now. Same thing, we're just in the other column, but we're going to continue on. So I'm going to pause again at 240. There we go. Oh, yeah, that one's close enough right there. 360. $390. That's close enough. 420. Get those recorded, and then last one. Okay, there's our last values. All right, y'all, you'll be able to take it from here. We have done a similar graph, and it tells you, so it's use the data from the table above and graph the amount of reactants and products versus time. Time should be the x-axis and amount should be the y. So I expect to see a reactants and a product slide. So it's A was our reactant, B was our product. And so I should see A starting off high and like decreasing. I'm not sure if the lines will cross or not. You'll have to do that as you plug in the numbers. And then B probably started at 0 and then increased over time. So 2 lines on here. So I should see something somewhat similar to that. Okay, you'll take it from here. Describe what you observed during the simulation that indicated that you have reached chemical equilibrium, if you even think we got to chemical equilibrium. And then an important part, you got to put away the Chromebooks before you can start on the quiz. Okay. So the quiz is a partner one. You can do it with your partner, and you can't use any other outside resources than this package. Okay, so other groups can't help you, other partnerships can't help you. You and your partner, after your Chromebook is put away, you're going to work on this, and then make sure both of your names are on it, and you're going to turn in this packet at the front, so make sure both your names are on this. There is not an answer key for this. I think I might have already said it in an earlier video. There's not an answer key for this. We are going to I'm going to hand the quizzes back to you guys next time with red pens, and we're going to grade those together, and then there's not a key for this first part. Okay, you guys got this. Thank you, thank you.